Hey guys, so I'm going to be traveling soon, and I thought it would be fun to kind of share with you what I'm going to be packing with me for when I am traveling. So all of this is kind of like a summery type of products, products that are perfect for the summer. So I have my Ally Glines medium everyday bag. I love this. I do have a full collection, but I just wanted to bring just this one because I'm only going to stay for the weekend. So this is definitely my favorite bag to use for when traveling. Like I said, I'm not bringing the full bag. I'm just bringing this one. So let's open it. So the first thing we have is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes the Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to really do any eye makeup looks. I'm just going to, I like to set my eyeliner with either the black or the brown shadows in this palette, so that's why I'm bringing the palette. I'm not going to really do an eyeshadow look when I'm traveling because this is my summer. I'm not going to do a lot of eyeshadow looks. Okay, next we have an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. This is the ColourPop BFF liquid liner in Grande. I really like this eyeliner, especially for the summer or like an everyday makeup look. And I have two brow products, of course, from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 2, and then the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So that's the brow products that I'm going to be bringing. And then I wanted to not bring a lipstick. I wanted to bring more of like either a lip gloss or something else. I'm actually going to bring two lip stains. This is both from e.l.f. This is in the shade, let's see, Pinkies Up and Power Mauve. I'm wearing Power Mauve right now. It's one of my favorite shades, and I like that they're small, so that's why I am using these when I travel. I love these too. Okay, next is a mascara. I love this mascara. This is a Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. This one is in black. I'm not going to bring too much makeup, like I said, since it's the summer makeup look, so I am going to just bring one mascara. So next is a newer product to me. I haven't used it yet. I want to start using it. This is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This one is in the shade Channeling, I think it's called. Like I said, I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, so we'll see how this one goes. I'm so excited. Then we have a highlight stick from Jafra. This is in the shade Bubbly. I really do like to use a cream highlight or a highlight stick like this. And then I am actually going to bring two concealers. This is the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. This is in the shade Y1. I really like that concealer. Really nice. It's definitely full coverage concealer. Okay, then I have the Maybelline Build-A-Brow Brow Pen. I don't like to use the brow gel on this brow pen. That's why I'm bringing this one, because this brow gel doesn't really last that long. So I just use the brow pen, and this is in the shade Blonde, by the way. Actually, I am bringing two mascaras. I totally forgot. This is the Lash Next Door mascara from Brooklyn and Bailey. I love this mascara. This mascara is one of my favorites, and it's also in black. I love it. And then this lip liner is like perfect for the summer. I love the pink. This is from NYX, and this is in the shade Nude. I love it. Let's go into my contour stuff. So I'm only bringing one contour, I guess you could say palette or contour thing. It's hard to open with one hand. There we go. This is the Patrick Ta Cream and Powder Duo. This is in the shade She's Statuesque. I love this. I am almost out of it. I definitely do want to get more of it before I travel or get another one because I absolutely love it. Or I definitely want to restock this because I love it before I travel. And then I was debating which blush to bring, or powder blush to bring. This is the Jafra Powder Blush in Rose Oro. It's a peachy blush. I really do like this blush. It's one of my favorites. Man, it has a little bit of shimmer to it, which I think is so pretty. I love it. Next, we have a powder foundation. Now, I'm debating whether or not to just bring my powder foundation and a liquid foundation or a tinted moisturizer type product or a skin tint, or bringing both or just bringing one. So I think, I don't know yet, because am going somewhere where it's really hot. So I don't know. This is the Natasha Denona High Glam Powder Foundation. I have the shade N2, and I do really like it. Like I said, I don't know if I should just bring the powder foundation, or if I should just bring like my skin tint or a tinted moisturizer or something. But I'm still deciding if I want to bring both or just one. Then for another blush, this is a cream blush from Ariel. LYS. That's LYS. Wow, I couldn't think of that. This is the High Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in Humble. This is one of my favorite blushes. I really like it. Really complements the Jafra blush so well. I'm definitely going to bring this. Then we have a new powder that I am absolutely loving. This is my new favorite setting powder. This is the Givenchy Prism Leave setting powder, and I have this shade Satin Blanc. I really love this setting powder. Like with this setting powder and then the Huda Beauty, they're like two super great setting powders. I thought that I would bring this one instead of the Huda Beauty, just to really get a good use out of this setting powder. And then last product in this bag is the About Face Skin Focus Foundation, or the Performer Skin Focus Foundation. This is in the shade L1 Neutral. I really like this one. It's lightweight, and I think it's perfect for the summer. I do really love this foundation. So that's everything in this bag. With the Ali Glines theme, this one is actually from her makeup brand, which is called Riffy Beauty. This is like a denim florally print. I absolutely love this bag. I like to use this one for more of like my toiletries or some of my skincare stuff. So right now I just have my skincare stuff in here, and I'm going to put my toiletry stuff in this bag the night before we leave. So first thing is my On Till Dawn setting spray from One Size Beauty. Actually, I might need to get more of this because this is almost out too. And then we have my moisturizer. I wanted to bring a lightweight moisturizer. So this is the ITK Weightless Hydrating Moisturizer. I really like this one. It's definitely lightweight, and I really do like it. I think it's a newer moisturizer from that brand, and it's just so good. Then we have I put my taller stuff in this bag, and then in the different bag I have much more shorter stuff. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. These two setting sprays together are amazing. Definitely a must for pretty much my makeup looks year round, and definitely good for the summer. So I'm definitely bringing these two products. So I don't have a lot in this bag right now because, like I said earlier, I'm going to put all my toiletry stuff in this bag the day before we leave. That's this bag. Okay, this is a newer bag to me, and I absolutely really love this bag. It opens up like this, and then I actually need to camera down for a sec. It's a little bit crammed in there, but once you pull it down, it looks like this, and you can have it as a kind of like a brushed cup type of situation. I'm going to show you what's in here. So now I'm bringing my mini Sigma switch, or travel size Sigma switch, just so I can switch between colors. I love to bring that. And then we have my liquid exfoliant. This is the Naturium BHA liquid exfoliant. And then we have my moisturizer. Again, I wanted to bring something that's a little bit more of a lighter weight foundation, or sunscreen. This is the ITK sunscreen serum. This is SPF 50. I really like this one for the summer. It's so nice. And then we have 3 other products in here. Yes. Okay, then we have my Jafra Royal Jelly Revitalized Longevity Eye Cream. I didn't want to bring my ITK eye cream because that one kind of gets a little messy, so I decided to bring this one. And then we have my ITK Nourishing Lip Balm. I wanted to bring something that's a little bit lighter, and this is such a light lip balm, and I really do like it. And then I'm going to bring this is a little wet since it just came out of the wash, but this is the Real Techniques Reusable Cotton Round, and these are so great. I definitely like to use it for my liquid exfoliants, sometimes with my toners. And then, oh, I didn't say what this bag was. Oh my goodness. This is the BK Beauty Travel Makeup Bag, or brush bag, and then I have the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty brushes in this bag. That was everything that I'm going to be traveling with, makeup wise. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!